Right now, every section in Promptless already comes with multiple layout variants built in. You can switch content from left to right, center it, change feature card styles, adjust backgrounds, and reposition buttons, all without dragging columns or rebuilding layouts. That's intentional. Instead of free-form drag and drop that can break structure, Promptless keeps layouts constrained, accessible, and production safe. But when you're still exploring ideas, sometimes you don't want to think through every toggle manually. You just want to see options. That's where Remix comes in. With one click, Remix instantly swaps this section to another valid layout variant. The content stays the same. The structure stays intact. Only the layout changes. You can keep clicking Remix to quickly cycle through different layout combinations until something feels right visually. No columns to drag. No spacing issues to fix. No risk of breaking responsiveness or accessibility. This is especially useful when AI has already mapped your content and you're deciding how it should live on the page, not rewriting it or rebuilding it. Once you find a layout you like, you can fine-tune it or move on. Remix isn't about randomness, it's about fast visual exploration without slowing down your workflow or breaking your layout.